Hi traders, Crispin here from FX AlgoTrader. It's Wednesday 13th of November 2019. This is part 5 of our support and resistance video series. So in the last video we looked at using long-term top-down analysis to identify market direction, and we drew some long-term trend lines to give us a feeling for where price was going on the shorter time frames. And what we're going to do now is we're going to look back over time. So we're on a weekly chart here. We're going to look for areas in the past where swing lows were formed and see how price reacts to those going forward. So back in June 2016 we saw a series of swing lows here, and I'm just going to draw a horizontal line through those swing lows, and I'm going to talk you through how price action behaved after that. So we saw a massive sell-off. This is a Brexit-based sell-off. Then price put in some lows here, and we got a bit of support. Price rallied up again, came back, tested this previous support level, and broke through it. And then we saw then some oscillation around this sort of 123 level or so, and then again came back up, retested this previous support level, which then became resistance, came down, retested it, broke through, came down, retested it, and that became support, rallied up, formed a new swing high here, and then we then came back down, retested that level again, came back down, retested here, and then broke through here. And then I would argue quite strongly that price is doing exactly the same thing it's done before. It's retesting this previous 128 sort of 50 level. You know, there's going to be quite a lot of swing around it. We're talking about weekly candles here, so don't expect it to be perfect, but you can see if you zoom in, see how much price is kind of struggling around this level. So it's coming up, it's getting rejected, long wicks around it. So this is an example of price derived support and resistance level, and how you can use those to factor in your trades. So on our hourly chart here, you know, really we'd be looking at in terms of a short area, it's pretty much anywhere around here. This trend line coupled with this previous price derived, in this case resistance level, would be a good opportunity to potentially short this. So that is a quick introduction to price derived support and resistance. In the next video I'm going to add in some additional support and resistance levels in the shape of pivots. So we're just kind of like beginning to flesh out some ideas about how you can use trend lines, price derived support and resistance, and also pivot levels, and to kind of like further refine your entry level, and to increase the confidence you have to make sure you get this right in terms of, or get the entry as accurate as you can, and also to be aligned with the directional flow of the market. So that will be coming in the next video.